Hey there, realtors. Do you guys spend hours writing property descriptions for your listings? I used to, and I mean, it would make me almost sick to my stomach. But what if I told you there's a better way? Enter ChatGPT, an AI-powered language model that can help you generate property descriptions quickly and easily. So, how does it work? When you provide ChatGPT with a prompt, like a few sentences or a paragraph, it uses its advanced neural network and deep learning capabilities to generate a continuation of that text that actually sounds like it was written by a human. By analyzing and understanding large amounts of data, ChatGPT has learned how to write in a way that's both accurate and engaging. Now, you might be wondering how to choose the right inputs for ChatGPT. I mean, after all, the better your inputs, the better the output. Here are a few tips to help you get started. All right, so number one, provide specific details. When you're writing a property description, make sure to include specific details that will help ChatGPT understand what you're trying to convey. For example, instead of just saying 3-bedroom house, say 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with a large backyard and a modern kitchen. Number two, use proper grammar and punctuations when at all possible. I mean, ChatGPT works best when it's provided with inputs that are properly formatted and grammatically correct, but don't worry if you can't. I mean, I mess it up all the time and it still comes out great. Number three, be descriptive when at all possible. So when describing the property, try to use descriptive words that'll help ChatGPT, for example, like large living room or ocean view or big new kitchen, whatever it is. Just try to be as descriptive as possible. Number four, incorporate the neighborhood. The neighborhood can be just as important as the property itself. Make sure to include details about the surrounding area if they're near certain things, like a golf course, a park, or restaurants, or the mall, whatever. All right, so with these tips in mind, you'll be able to provide ChatGPT with the best possible inputs and generate property descriptions and ads that are accurate and engaging. But wait, you might be thinking, can ChatGPT really write a property description that's good enough? Well, the answer is absolutely. While it's true, ChatGPT might not be able to capture the essence of the property in the same way a human writer could, it can still produce really high quality descriptions that are both really informative and engaging. Plus, the more you use ChatGPT, the better it gets. As it's exposed to more and more data, it continues to improve its ability to generate accurate and engaging descriptions. And the best part is, using ChatGPT can generate property descriptions that can save you a lot of time and effort. And instead of spending hours trying to come up with the perfect words to describe the property, you can let ChatGPT do all the heavy lifting for you. This means that you can focus on other important aspects of your business or your life. Not to mention, you can actually have ChatGPT send it right into the MLS, but that's in another video. All right, so to wrap the whole thing up, ChatGPT is an amazing tool. It's not only going to change the world, it's going to help a lot of realtors supercharge their business. But remember, by providing specific inputs that are properly formatted and giving it prompts on what to do, ChatGPT can absolutely change your world. With its advanced neural network and deep learning capabilities, ChatGPT is consistently improving its ability to write high quality content for you. So why not give it a try? See for yourself. ChatGPT can absolutely be a game changer for realtors who want to save time and improve their business. So thanks for tuning in and learning more about ChatGPT and how it can help you write property descriptions for your real estate business. So that's the lowdown. But before you go, join our online community, Grow or Die, packed full of real estate agents around the world who are advancing their business with ChatGPT and AI. Click the link in the description to learn more and take your real estate game to the next level. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. All right, guys, I'll see you on the other side.